Hey there Asus fans, welcome to our channel. So you all know that the ROG Phone 6 will be launching globally on 5th of July. But remember, it could be weeks or even months before you could actually buy this device. Anyways, we are expecting to see this gaming phone blow away the competition once again, but what will it bring to the table? Well, we have all the promotional materials shared by Asus and credible rumors relating to this phone. So without further ado, let's begin. As shared by ROG Global page, it will arrive with 165Hz AMOLED panel, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip and will come with improved thermals. Yeah, 165Hz will be smoother and all, but we are waiting to know the touch sampling rate to see how sensitive the display is. This affects a lot while playing games. The phone should be a powerhouse with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip under the hood. The last ROG phone, ROG Phone 5S, is based on the older Snapdragon 888 Plus SoC. We are expecting a significant bump in performance and also in the thermals. Asus has confirmed that the phone will have a bigger vapor chamber up to 30% and graphite sheet up to 85% over the last generation ROG phone. This was kinda expected even before company confirmed this. We all know that the processor will generate a lot of heat and to control that, the cooling solution has to be improved, but it's unlikely to match the Nubia Red Magic 7 Pro and its active cooling. Additionally, we believe the battery to be 6000 mAh with the alleged listing suggesting the handset will support 15W normal charging and up to 65W fast charging speeds. Alleged design renders of the gaming smartphone suggest a rectangular camera module housing a horizontally aligned triple rear camera setup along with an LED flash. It could come with Android 12 with up to 512 GB of storage and 18 GB of RAM and an in-screen fingerprint scanner. Well, what else? Actually, that's it. Still, there is some time for the launch and we expect to see a lot of information to be leaked in the coming days. With that said, if you enjoy such videos, then definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.